Hello everyone, welcome to this video by Simplilearn. Imagine being able to create stunning high quality images in just a few seconds without needing any artistic skills or expensive software. Sounds incredible, right? Thanks to advancements in technology, this is now a reality. These image generators are in high demand because they allow anyone to generate incredible visuals within just a few clicks. Traditional tools are becoming outdated as these new generators can produce images faster with better quality and more creative flexibility. Popular tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can be pricey, with Midjourney costing around $10 per month and DALL-E at $20 per month. Luckily, I've found 7 fantastic free alternatives that won't break the bank. Today, I'm going to share some free Midjourney alternatives with you, showing you the quality they produce, what makes each one unique, and answering the big question how free they are. I'll break down each tool, highlight their strengths and weakness, and show you exactly how you can use them. So, let's get started.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Before we comment, if you want to enhance your career in AI, here's a quick info for you. Check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning with Purdue University and IBM. This program is perfect for aspiring AI enthusiasts and professionals looking to switch careers. Gain expertise in generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, explainable AI, machine learning algorithms, and many more. A year of experience is preferred. Hurry and enroll now. Find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So, let's get started. First up, we have Crayon.ai. If you're looking at a tool that lets you create images quickly and easily, Crayon AI is a great choice. One of the best things about Crayon AI is its simplicity. You don't need to sign up or log in to start generating images. You can just type your prompt here, choose a style, and you're good to go. Let me show you how we can do it. So this is the interface of Crayon AI, and you can just simply type your prompt. You don't have to log in also. All right. So we're going to type here Vikings standing in battleship. So we'll just click on this draw option and we have selected the style art. There are many other options like photo, drawing, all of that. So you can select according to your need. So these are the unnecessary ads it's going to show because since it is free. All right. So it's taking time, prox 60 seconds. So you can see here that we have given a prompt, Vikings standing in battleship, and these are the images it has generated. All right. So if you need to give more prompt ideas, here are the ideas it's showing. And you can also check out the inspirations and the recent pictures people have uploaded. All right, so let's check. So as you can see, the quality of the image is not that great. However, it's free. You can get a lot of ads which can be a bit annoying, and the image quality is like decent but not that sharp. So you might need to upscale your favorites. Okay. So here is the option. This upscale is for if you want to buy the premium version of this tool. And there's an option called buy it. So here you can also print your image in a t-shirt if you want to. So yeah, so this was for this Crayon AI. You can see we have the expert mode also. That is, suppose Viking standing in a battleship and you want to remove negative words, like suppose I text people. I do not want people to be standing in my picture. So I'll just simply click on draw. And then it takes time, approx 60 seconds, and it will give it images. And there are other options as well like photo, drawing, none, all of these. So you can see that in expert mode, we have written people in the negative section. So it will remove all the people and these are the images it has generated. I mean, it's not that sharp, but then it's fine. You also have an option here to remove background. Overall, if I need to rate this AI tool, I would rate its image quality at 5.5 and performance at 9 due to its speed and ease of use. So, this was all for this Crayon AI. Let's move on to our next AI tool. So, next, let's talk about GetImage.ai. This tool offers high quality images and a variety of styles, making it a versatile choice for many different projects. You can select from styles like photorealism, art, and anime. Yes, so from here you can just select different options like photorealism, we have artistic, anime, whatever picture you want to generate image, you can just simply generate it from here. And all right. So let's suppose I need an image. These are the previous images I have generated. So I'll just click on photorealism and I will click anything like mountains with birds and greenery. All right. So I'll just you can also select the number of images you want to. Suppose 2, 3, 4, 5 options are there, and I want to just generate 2 images. All right. So in order to generate more images, you have to upgrade this version, and the free version is only applicable till 2 images. And one more thing, you do not need to sign up to use it, which is a minor inconvenience. And there are 100 credits. So as you can see, we can just simply click on this. Where's the option? Yeah, we can simply click on create 2 images, and it will generate the images faster, as you can see. You can also control the resolution and the style of the images. So it has generated the image for us. Let's check it out. Okay, the quality is really good, and yeah, the size is around this. You can change the size and the resolution. So we have an option here, as you can see, aspect ratio. If I need my picture to be in this ratio, I can just simply click on that. Also, there are options for styling. So you can style according to your needs. Suppose you can just level it up and down and change the contrast of the images you want to. So what I really loved about this GetImage.ai is the quality of the images and the wide range of styles you can choose from them. Also, you get 100 free credits. You can see here, I have already used some credits, so I have 92 remaining. So these are your 100 free credits you get, and for each image generation costs just 1 credit, which lets you experiment without worrying about running out of credits too quickly. However, you can just sign up and use it, which is a minor inconvenience. And while the 100 free credits are generous, I've already signed up. You can see my account is already logged in. So for this tool, as compared to the previous one, which was Crayon AI, you can just simply have to log into this tool and generate images. Also, you can control the resolution and the number of images you want to generate, allowing you to manage your credits efficiently. Also, there's an option called Advanced where you can just give any negative prompt you want to and the image reference. You can simply just drag and drop any image you want to, just paste it over here for reference. Suppose I've pasted Elon Musk image over here, and you can also create any image you want to for reference. All right, suppose I want to give a prompt here like Vikings with powers. And I just simply click on create 2 images, and the picture I've used for reference is Elon Musk image. So let's see what kind of image will it generate for us. I've previously used these images, so as you can see that these are the images it's generating. I have used Elon Musk image for reference, and I've given the prompt as Vikings. So it has created Vikings with power using Elon Musk as picture as reference. Also, just check it out. I mean, the face is not that similar, but then it's pretty cool. I would rate the quality at 6, and I think it's a bit better than the previous one, but still, we could do a lot more better. And this is what I will show you in the image generator. And the performance, I would rate it 7 due to its user friendly interface and the speed. So let's talk about the next AI tool, which is Runway.ai. So next we have Runway AI. You have probably heard of this tool, which is versatile powerhouse, offering not just image generation but also video creation, audio generation, and many more. This makes it an excellent all-in-one tool for creatives. Runway AI is incredibly versatile. It's not just an image generator, it can create videos, generate audio, and many more. For image generation, you get 125 credits. We will just see how. First, we have to log in. So we have logged in over here. As you can see, I've got 495 credits with me. You get 125 credits for each image costing around 5 credits. This makes all-in-one tool for creativity. The image quality is also very good. So let's check it how. So here tool section, I'll be just clicking on text image to video. Right, not this one. So we'll just, in this section, we have many tools over here, generative audio, video to file, but for this specific video, I'll be clicking on text to image. All right, so you can see the ratios over here, resolution, style, and prompt, any prompt you want to give. Suppose for this thing, I want to write village with lightings. And then I'll just click on generate. For styling purpose, you can also just click 3D cartoon or anime, or so many things are there. Suppose I just click on anime. Let's see what type of image it generates for us. Alright, so you can see the quality of images it has generated for us. And for the style section, we have clicked on anime, so it has used the model and created anime-wise picture for us. So in order to rate the quality and performance, both I would rate it 6 due to higher credit cost per image, because for each image generation it costs around 5 credits. So you see I have 95 generation left now. And if I complete this generation, again I have to upgrade another plan. So which is comparatively expensive. So this was all for this Runway AI, which was pretty cool. So let's check out the other AI tool. So the next on the list is Krea AI, which is unique with its real-time image generation and high degree of customization, interesting and a pretty cool image generator. You can also adjust AI strength, aspect ratio, and many more to create intricate designs. It's a bit more complex, but the results are worth it. When I saw this for the first time, I was quite impressed. Let me show you how. So suppose I click on this generate option over here, and as you can see, we have so many models over here: cartoon, CGI, concept, HD. We'll just click on this photo image. You can just simply type any prompt you want to. Suppose I type FIELD, field with sunflowers, and I'll just simply click on generate. So you can see it has created. Also, one more pretty amazing thing I'll show you. If you adjust this thing, it will create different images according to these objects. So let's check it out how the ads, because since it's free, it's gonna show the ads, and these are the type of images it will show you. Also, you have different concepts over here. You can see cartoon is there as well, and wow, this is so good. The quality of the image is really amazing. So in order to rate this, I would rate its quality at 7 and performance at 8 due to its instant generation of image quality, and it's so fast. Also the unique concept, which I liked it very much. The only downside is you have 900 images available, so you have to be careful with it. So let's talk about the next AI tool. So next on the list is Night Cafe AI, which is excellent for generating high quality images in various styles. You can choose from cinematic, realistic, and anime styles among others. This tool offers a range of models like Dream Shaper and Stable Diffusion. So let me show you a demo how we have to use this tool. So here you just click on this create option, and these are the models you have to choose from here. The popular model, suppose I've selected Dream Shaper, and the text I want to write is suppose I write cinematic sunset viewpoint. All right, and the style is night cafe. You can also select different styles from here: realistic anime, hyperreal, color painting. So many options are there. And also the number of images you want to. Suppose I click on 4 and I've used the style as preset night cafe. I'll just simply click on create. And as you can see, I have earned free credits. So as you can see, the number of images it has produced 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we have selected on Night Cafe preset, the quality is really amazing. So for this AI image generator, I would rate its quality at 8 and performance at 7.5 due to its high quality outputs and learning opportunities. Now let's talk about the next AI tool. Yes, so next on the list is Leonardo AI, which is again my personal favorite, powerful and offers extensive customization options. You get 150 free credits per month and you can choose from various models and styles. This tool even helps with prompt generation if you're unsure about how to start. So you just click on let's get started. As you can see, this is the interface showing here. So Leonardo AI offers extensive customization, allowing you to control dimensions, styles, and even generate prompts if you're stuck. So we'll just simply click on image generation. As you can see, here different options are there. Generation mode, for quality purpose we need to have the premium version. So I type any prompt. Suppose the prompt I give here is underwater landscape, and I just click on generate. So it will be using 24 credit points. Alright, the style which I've selected is dynamic. So let's see what type of images will it create for us and how is it better than the previous one, the previous AI tool which we have discussed. The interface might be overwhelming at first due to its numerous options available, but once you just get the hang of it, the creativity is immense. So you can see the image it has generated for us. Okay, just let's click on it. The quality is really good as compared to others, and also for the preset style we have selected, it's really good. So if I have to rate this AI generator, then the quality will be at 8 and performance is 8.5 due to its customization options, because the number of options we get is really good. Also we have advanced settings over here. So overall it's good. I would rate it 8.5 compared to other AI generator tools. So finally, let's talk about the number one AI generator tool according to me, which is ChatGPT 4o, which is now free for public use. This tool excels in generating highly detailed and specific quality images. You can just upload images, create variations, and refine your prompts for precise results. So ChatGPT 4o's image generator is simply outstanding. Let me show you how. Suppose just it's quite simple and the quality of image it generates, it's really good. Suppose I write a prompt here as a hyper realistic cat in the shape of, suppose, let's say butter on a French toast. So we'll just give the prompt over here and let's see what type of image is it generating for us. Alright, so you can see the quality of the image. I mean, it's really amazing as compared to other AI tools. And also you just have to write the prompt here and it will generate an image for you. So to rate this tool, I would just rate the quality at 9 and performance at also 9. So this was all for the AI tools generator. So that wraps up our list for the best free AI generators. Each of these tools offers unique features and capabilities, making them great alternatives to Midjourney. So, which one is your favorite? Just let me know in the comment section below. If you really like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for more videos by Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.